Hey everyone, I'm making some fajitas. I thought I'd make this really quick video so that you could see how fajitas are made. They're really easy. First you take, this is boneless, skinless meat here, and chicken meat. You could use pork, you could use beef. I'm doing a special recipe for a light recipe. So this is boneless, skinless, marinated strips of the chicken breast, and what I basically did was marinated it in some spices. And spices include a chili powder blend that I found. It's a chili powder blend that I found. I don't think you could see that. So, anyways, it's a chili powder blend. I found it at a co-op, and I placed some smoked paprika. There you go. See that? Smoked paprika. And some lime, about a whole lime. Take a whole lime. And then I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of comino, because I forgot to put that in there. But I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle in some ground pepper, a little bit of salt. Ooh! Like comino. That's sea salt. And then I added a little bit of extra virgin olive oil skillet. So we'll go ahead and add that. So you just kind of, because I want to remove the fond. If you want to use wine, you can. I'm not using wine. I'll go ahead and so in that way, I mean, I want to get a lot of the fond up, and I want these to be moist. Okay. And that's going to have a lot of sauce in it. In the meantime, I sliced up some onions, some bell peppers, and I'm going to add those in there. So those are golden julienne slices of bell pepper. I want to put enough veggies in there. I mean, really. And then this is like a good meal for, like, oh, I'd say about 3 people. You know, and this is not, and see, your onions are your fillers, which is nice. Your onions and your bell peppers. And when I used to own a restaurant, this is how I pretty much did I would marinate my meat, and then I would marinate my meat, and then I would just add the onions and the bell peppers and whatnot. So, and then I have some cremini mushrooms that I'm going to add, and some zucchini. So it's kind of special. I mean, if you want to just do this, and you want to just, now some folks, they'll grill the pieces of meat with the onions and the bell peppers, and they'll almost disintegrate as you're cooking. But I didn't want to do that. I always did it this way. And if you did like large pans, like if you use large pans, if I use large pans, like if you're going to do a large catering business, I mean a catering job, you take the meat that's already been marinated, and you basically saute the meat. I always saute the meat, and then add the meat into the pans, and then I would put the vegetables on top, all the vegetables on top, and then mix it up, because I wanted that crunchiness of the vegetables. So, and I think it makes a really good fajita, because you can taste all the nice veggies in there. And that's just how I did it. I almost had to I almost forgot how to do how I used to do it. And then I covered it up, and then I would put them in warmers, and then we would take them. Well, I can't do that anymore, so unfortunately. Okay. That's quite delicious. So I'm adding and I put low salt in there. I didn't want to put a lot of salt, so I added my vegetables, and which comes out to be another filler. Now you don't have to do this, but I like adding some vegetables for fillers. See, because really meat is an umami. We shouldn't eat a lot of meat, but we do. And yeah, we do. And an umami is a flavor. So if it's a flavor, then we should eat less meat and more vegetables, right? And then if you just were to roll this up in like a tortilla, maybe a spinach tortilla, then you get more vegetables in your tortilla, and then you have, and then your salsa and your other garnishes, you're going to have a lot of vegetables in this. But the main thing that you're looking for is spices. Okay? Okay. Spices. This is a nice blend. Comino. Smoked paprika. Some pepper. Some salt. Yep. And then you have it. You have a nice meal. Okay? Alrighty. So there you have it. I will talk to you later, and hope you try this. I think you'll enjoy it. So, and have a good one. Bye. Hopefully I'll see you soon.